besties, it's Tori and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing a realistic reading in my life vlog, what it kind of looks like when I read within a week, just realistically how much I get read, how many pages I go through, how many books I can finish. I was in the middle of editing when I realized I didn't have an intro for this video, so I am going to literally state the fact now that I didn't read as much as I anticipated I was going to. And I just wanted to say that it is common for that to happen, you know? Like, we sometimes have weeks where we're in mini slumps, or we just have too many other things going on and we just don't read, or sometimes we don't feel like reading, and it's normal to feel that way. But with all that being said, I hope you enjoy. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below, including my Goodreads and my Amazon wishlist. And let's get into my realistic reading vlog. Friday, besties. So I wanted to give an update on how much I read yesterday. So I read from page 1 to page 26 of Serpent and Wings of Night. So I didn't really read very much. I was in a lot of pain yesterday and I was really tired, and I just like couldn't focus on reading. So it wasn't a very good start to this video. I'm hoping to read more tonight, but I'm also not gonna hold myself to it. This is a realistic reading vlog, and honestly towards the end of my week is when I read probably the least. I read the most at the beginning of the week, and if I have free time on my weekends, which isn't very often. So that's how much I read yesterday. So only 26 pages, but I will hopefully do some reading tonight. I have some gifts to wrap, and I want to watch the Reputation Stadium Tour documentary because it's going off Netflix soon. So I'm gonna wrap gifts and I'm gonna watch that. I did a bunch of cleaning and stuff after I got off work, so I haven't really had any downtime yet. So that's the game plan for now. I do work tomorrow morning. Yeah, I probably won't really get to read a lot until Sunday. So yeah, we're not off to a good start, are we? Hey besties, let's talk quick. So I am doing very bad at reading this week. I have been busy and in a bit of a strange mental space, and sometimes when I'm in a weird mental space I have a really hard time getting myself to read. So on Thursday I read 26 pages of Serpent and the Wings of Night. Friday I read no pages, and then yesterday I read from page 26 to 35, so that's like 9 pages. My goal for today and tomorrow is to do a lot more reading. At the beginning of the week I read a lot more than I read at the end of the week. So I'm not doing very good right now at all. But as you guys saw, I got a very exciting package in the mail yesterday. And that was my special edition sprayed edges of the ACOTAR series. They are literally stunning. I'm obsessed with them. I need to figure out where the heck to put them on my shelves. Like, I genuinely don't know what I'm gonna do. So that's gonna be on my list of things to do today. But I literally love them. They were super expensive, but I'm obsessed. So the goal today is to film, do some stuff to my shelves, and to also read. Top priority. So that's what we have going on. Alright, good morning and happy Monday. I just got done filming a different video and I thought I would just jump on and give you guys a quick little update so far. So, yesterday I ended up reading from page 35 to 88. So, that would be roughly 53 pages, which isn't great, but it's a little bit better. I have read a little bit so far this morning. I think I read about like 20 pages or so this morning when I first woke up. I just laid in bed for a little while and did some reading. I plan on doing more reading, but I have other things I need to do too. Like I needed to get this video I just filmed done, and I also have 2 videos to edit, so we will just see how much reading I can get done. After I put all my books away, I might take a little break for a little while and do a little bit of reading, but I would like to try to read like 100 pages today, so I'm already about like 20 pages into my goal. I'm not doing the best so far with this reading vlog, but honestly, how much I read really does vary from day to day. Obviously, I've been in a bit of a slump, if you couldn't tell, so it's been a little bit harder for me to get my pages, but it's a realistic reading vlog, so you know there are days when I really struggle to get reading time in, or I just can't get myself to focus, which has been my problem the last few days. Is I just can't hyper focus right now. I don't know what's going on. So yeah, that's just my little update. We will see how far we get today. I'm gonna do some more reading. I got lots of editing and stuff to do as well, so it's just a quick little update for you guys, and we will see where the day takes us. Besties, I have to show you something I bought from Etsy. I'm literally so excited. I have some like really cute and good Etsy orders coming in the mail, but look, it's a Jack's candle from Once Upon a Broken Heart. And it smells amazing, but obviously I did not buy this to burn it. I bought this to go by my signed edition of A Curse for True Love. But I wish you could smell this. Like, you know how like in the book it describes Jax as like, oh, I can smell the apple, and then like you know that he's near you or whatever. Literally, this is exactly what I would have imagined him to smell like. And it's delicious. And I highly recommend. It is from the Etsy shop Web of Wonder if you are wanting to also get your hands on one. But I just wanted to show you that really quick. I have read probably like 50 or 60 pages so far today. I just got done eating lunch, so I'm going to crack open a cold one, read for like an hour or so, and then I need to edit some videos, and then after those are done, I'm going to continue to read. But it's like finally getting good. It's getting good, so I feel like it's gonna make it a lot easier for me to read, because the first like 100 pages of any book is hard for me to get into. So I'm really excited because I can feel the tension and the banter, and like I'm starting to be like, I don't know, you get my drift. But I wanted to show you my candle and just give you a little update really quick. Anyways, I'm gonna go read and then I'm gonna do some editing. But happy Tuesday, besties. I wanted to give a update on how much I read yesterday. So I read from page 88 to 268, so I think that is 180 pages. I think I got through like 1 or 2 chapters this morning while I was at work, but I just got home from work, so I'm definitely going to do some more reading. I think if I really tried, I could probably finish the book today, but I just don't know if I see that happening. I have a video to edit. I'm exhausted. I got no sleep last night, so I would love to take a nap. And obviously I need to continue reading for this video. That's my little update. We will see how much I read today, and then I will update you guys again later. Okay, don't mind my appearance, but I finally got on my very first book subscription list, and my very first one just got delivered. I'm literally so beyond excited. So this is from Probably Smut. There is another one that I'm currently on the wait list for that I'm super excited about. Hopefully I get off the wait list for that one soon. I got the bigger box of the two from them, so I got the $40 one. Oh my god, it's so cute. Aww, look how sweet. So I think you get like some extra stuff the first box, and then after that it's like not as much goodies. So we have the Probably Smut Book Club t-shirt that you get when you like sign up with your first box. I got mine in a large. I'm a large hoodie t-shirt girly. I don't really like to wear ones that actually fit me. And then we have a bunch of little goodies plus my special edition book. We have some cutie little stickers, suggested annotation key, some tabs that go with the book, fan art for the book, and then here we have the special edition of the book of the month. So this is Christmas in Coconut Creek by Carissa Kinward. So this is like a special cover that they did. It is signed, which is so cool. So this is the first book. I cannot wait to continue getting more special editions from my book of the month book order thing. So check out Probably Smut if you guys are looking for a book subscription. Happy Wednesday, besties. Let's do our little update for yesterday's reading. But yesterday I read from page 268 to page 404 of Serpent and Wings of Night, which means I read like roughly 180 pages or so yesterday. So I read a bit of the book this morning. I am now on page 443 of 486. So I'm definitely going to finish this today. That means I've read about 40 pages today. So I'm going to finish it. And I think that there's this novella I really want to start. I think it's like super short actually, but it is by Megan Brandy. And it's just like a cute little Christmas novella, but one of my absolute favorite characters is in that book. So I think I'm gonna read that. So I am going to finish Serpent Wings of Night, and I'm like literally right at the peak of holy shit what's going on. So I literally almost started crying at work, so I'm a little concerned. So we'll see what happens with that. But yeah, I think I'm gonna probably end this reading vlog today after I finish all these books and stuff. Okay, besties, let's give our final update and page count for the day and for this video. So, I finished The Serpent and Wings of Night. Oh my god, that book is literally so good. I give it 5 stars. I utterly obsessed. Cannot wait to get into the novella. I already downloaded it on my Kindle, and then I can't wait to get into the second novel as well. Like, that series, so good so far. I'm loving it. The ending shocked me. Like, literally the last probably like 50 pages or so, I was like, what the fuck is happening? Like, actually, genuinely, what is happening? So I ate that up. So I read from page 404 to 486 of that book. So that would be 82 pages. Then I had seen Megan Brandy post a TikTok a few days ago about a Christmas novella she wrote that has the characters from my all-time favorite romance book, Save Swear, in it. So I was like, okay, let's give it a try. Literally started and finished it. It was 113 pages. So overall, I read 195 pages today. So that's not too bad. I technically did finish 2 books today, which is kind of fucking crazy. I mean, granted, the novella only took me about not even quite 2 hours to read, probably like an hour and 45 minutes maybe, but that book is very smutty. So if you don't like smut, that's not the read for you. But I gave it 4 stars. I thought it was pretty good. A little more smut than I anticipated, but it was a good second chance romance. I loved seeing Noah and Ariana together in that book and just seeing what their future held for them. Like, I really did enjoy that. So yeah, that is everything I read for the week. Roughly 600 pages in the last 6 days, which isn't too bad. Granted, I would have enjoyed if it was more. Clearly you can see, like, yesterday, even like just Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, like, I read so much more than I read the first few days that we did this challenge or this vlog. But it really just depends on my, like, how much time I have, what other things I have going on, my mental state. I'm not gonna force myself to read if I just, like, don't want to. So I really enjoyed reading the last few days. I think I have now read like 56 books this year, and I honestly would not be shocked if I reach 60. I feel like we're gonna be cutting it really close. Today is currently the 13th. It's Taylor Swift's birthday, so happy birthday to mom. But I wouldn't be close if I can almost reach 60, which would be crazy because that's literally my reading goal for next year. But no more chit chat. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely will be doing it again in probably a few weeks even. Like, I feel like this could be a fun, like, little, like, monthly vlog, just seeing how much I realistically can read in a week. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my face. Check out all my socials down below, including my Goodreads and my Amazon wishlist, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.